Well, this Weed Eater 2560 quit working. This is 9K209, and it turned out that wires inside is disconnected, so I'll try to see if I can connect it without taking them apart. It might be a tall order. So this is hard to focus on. The wire over here. Well, I just need to cut the wrapping off the wall so see the wire inside. I will need to disassemble, take it apart. There's so many screws over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 over here. Because you can't get to the wire to connect over there. So let's see if I can do that. Well, I took this apart, and that's the inside. So should be straightforward, just connecting the wires. That will help hopefully fix the problem. Well, this was broken and taped, so I'm gonna put a little bit glue to it and screw it together. So this is the glue I'm gonna use, called Goop Amazing. Beautiful. It worked. All right, job well done.